break down what an RC4 wireless system is. You have to have 5 components. First, you have to have a lighting console. Without DMX data, there's no point to having wireless dimmers. Second, you'll need a transceiver, which will take the DMX data and send it out wirelessly to your devices. Third, you'll need a pixel driver or wireless dimmer, such as this DMX4DIMM, to receive that data. The fourth thing that you need is a load, such as a tungsten lamp, a solenoid, or an LED. Here we're using a daytime running light with a 3D printed bulb on top. And the last thing you need is a DC power source, such as a battery or power supply. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.